Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, let's talk about how to update your Bright security settings. Do you want to keep your Bright account secure and up to date? Well, start by opening the Bright app and tapping on your profile icon in the top right corner. From there, you're going to scroll down and select security settings. Here you're going to see multiple options. You're going to see options like change password, so tap to enter your current password, and then you're going to create a strong new password. Use a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols, just to make it more secure. You also have two-factor authentication. You can turn this on for extra protection. Bright will send a one-time code to your phone or email every time you log in. There's also device management, where you can view all the devices currently logged into your Bright account. If you see one that you don't recognize, you can just tap remove to disconnect it. There's also login alerts, where you can enable this to get notified if anyone signs in from a new device or location. Take a few minutes to go through each option and tighten your account security. The more secure your settings, the safer your money. Hit like, share, and subscribe for more quick Bright guides. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.